Good morning again. It's me again in my kitchen. So happy Sunday to everyone. I know you don't have to tell me, but I know you're already bored watching this video, the same location, the same setup, but what to do, guys? Let's just have to do this. Okay, anyway, good morning and happy Sunday to everyone.
And
You don't have to tell me, guys. I know you guys have tired looking on my videos every time in cooking vlog with the same setup, but what can I do? I don't have any option at the moment because you know already what's happening in the world. And so anyway, guys, we've gone for grocery last Friday and I have found a very good offer. We've gone for grocery, right?
Yeah.
Yes. You have
Yeah.
Yes. So we found
I
a
didn't
very...
have fine.
What?
I didn't have fine. That mall, we should check if we are okay.
So there is a temperature, no? They put thermal temperature in your
Yeah.
forehead if you have fever or no, right? Yes.
But actually, I have fever now.
You have fever now. Don't say like that.
I'm
Okay.
joking.
Okay.
Unless
Anyway.
my forehead's hot.
Yes. Okay, guys. Fast forward. Actually, I found a very good offer of chicken. Actually, it is a breast chicken, 2 kg. So for this, if you buy this in the original price, it is around 30 dirhams plus. Okay, but it was in offer that day, and I have paid only 10 dirhams. So I paid only 10 dirhams. So it's just I've saved 20 bucks. Imagine that. So I have taken one of that. So now, since I have lots, actually, don't worry, guys. I have checked the expiration and I still have 6 months for that. Before it gets expired.
6 months.
So I have 6 months expiration, so don't worry. Actually, you always have to check when it is on sale. You always have to check the expiration. That's I normally do.
But you remember the jelly one? We made it. Watch that video.
Yes, actually last night her dad, they have made jelly. It comes in a packet ready made. You just have to boil the water. So they made yesterday and she made the vlog.
If that comes back, we show you. It looks like.
Okay.
We're gonna stick a picture and send it to you to see.
Okay, guys.
If it's hardened, we put for washing soap.
Yes. Okay. So actually, anyway. So now, I'm gonna make, I think 1, 2, 3, 4 types of chicken dish out of my 2 kg of breast chicken. So I'm making 4 types of dish or menu. First, I'm gonna make a Fajita sandwich. So normally, so actually I have this. I have cut. See, as you can see, I have cut into strips, chicken strips. The breast I've cut into strips. So now it's clean and cut. All of my chicken is already cut and clean. It's all in the container right now. So as you can see, maybe you were wondering why it's in the ice cream box. Actually, by the way, guys, this is my favorite ice cream in Igloo brand. It's very nice. Very
I like
nice.
it also.
Yeah, it's nice. We always buy this. Okay, anyway, why I'm... Yes. Why I'm using this... Why I'm using this... Enough na.
I like banana flavor.
Enough na. So anyway,
see, I like this banana flavor.
Every time we buy an ice cream, we never throw our container. We recycle this.
Oh,
just
you're blowing that. Can I wash my hands?
Okay, so now, so actually we don't throw our container, ice cream container. We instead recycle it. We put something on it. We use it somehow. So like this, what I'm doing, I'm putting some chicken on this, or some leftover food. I use that one rather than buying a new container. Okay, it was this ice cream containers say I serve same purpose
And
rather
there's
than
corn
buying the new
also.
ones from the supermarket to buy the proper container.
But
So
there's
normally
also
I
corn.
use this.
But most of all, people use not a stick to use the
Yes.
colorful ice cream. They
this-
scoop and they pour it in the, any corn you have. They
Yeah.
pour it and then they enjoy it. And then finish it off. Yum, 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 yum,
Yes.
yum, 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 yum.
So this is our way on helping saving the planet.
Planet.
Yeah. We have to save our planet, right? Okay na, enough na. So now I have here a fajita. Normally I'll buy a tortilla bread. When I buy a tortilla bread, it comes on this. So it's kind of a set. So they will give you a tortilla bread when it comes with this one. But the bread I don't have, but I have a couple of this. I don't want to throw it. That's why I need to somehow use this one. So anyway, for the tortilla bread, I'm gonna make a homemade one. So please bear with me. I will show you later on how to make the tortilla bread. So anyway, so now we have to marinate our chicken pieces. So as you can see, this is the chicken, and we just have to put the powder in it. Okay, don't put too much, like I'm putting like 1.5 teaspoon of it. You just have to estimate. So 1 teaspoon I'm putting on this, and then I'm gonna put lemon. As you know, lemon is very nice. It gives a nice flavor and those smells, no? Because chicken there's some chicken smell. So I'm putting a lemon. One lemon is good enough for this. And then you just have to put salt. For the salt, I'm putting like 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And then mix it together. I think my chicken is just quite a lot, so I add more of this fajita. I just finish it off, not so much in there. So it's about like 3 teaspoon of fajita I have put in. Anyway, it's depend on you guys. You will come to know if it's needed more or not. For me, I have put about 3 teaspoon of it. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. So now we have to set aside this like for 30 minutes. So guys, our chicken fajita is ready to cook. It has been marinated for around almost 2 hours. So now we have to cook our chicken fajita. In here, our pan is heated up. So we put our oil. Not so much oil, like about 2 tablespoons of oil. So first, let's just get heated up the oil before we put our chicken pieces. Now our oil is heated up. Now we can put our chicken pieces inside. So let's just cook it. And also for our chicken fajita, we'll be needing a capsicum. So this is 1 capsicum I've cut into this much. long size. And I have here onion as well. I have 1.5 onion. And then you can also use cheese, mozzarella cheese or cheddar cheese, any cheese what you have, that also you can use along with your fajita chicken. So now our chicken has been browned. It's okay now. So we have to remove this from the pan. And now in the same pan, we have to add 1 teaspoon of oil. No, sorry, tablespoon of oil. So we can cook our onion. So first, let's cook our onion until translucent or like brown, change color. And then on this stage, we can add our capsicum or bell pepper. And they just cook this for another 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'll just have to put like 1/4 teaspoon of salt just to give flavor on the onion and capsicum. And let this cook for 3 to 5 minutes. And for the meanwhile, I have a water here. Just is like about 1 tablespoon of water. And I have fajita mix. Before we have marinated the chicken with the fajita. And now this time, we're gonna mix this in water. Okay, I'm gonna take around just 1 teaspoon, 1 heaped teaspoon of fajita. So this much, put in the water. Just try to dissolve it in water so we could mix it along with the chicken in the pan. And now this is okay. Now we can add our chicken fajita, pour it back in. And this time, the mixture that we just see, this is the mixture, sorry. So this, we have to put it on the chicken. So they just cook for another 2 minutes. Simmer and cook for medium flame, cook for another 2 minutes. Now our chicken fajita is ready. So that's how it looks like. Hello guys, so we've done making our fajita chicken. You can have it with bread, like you have to make like a sandwich, or you can use tortilla. So now I'm gonna have this with tortilla, but I will make a homemade one. So but it will be in a separate video because this video is just too long. But I'm gonna share with you the recipe for the tortilla in the description box. Please just find the link. And that's all for today, guys. I think that's all. So until to my next one, bye.
Please like